Hello everyone. So for today's lesson, we're going to make egg salad on toast. Super easy, let's get started. First thing, you need to get your ingredients. A slice of bread or toast, a cooked egg, mayonnaise, and some salt and pepper. You also need a plate, a mixing bowl, and a fork or a spoon or even a knife. First, get a slice of bread and put it out. And then take your egg and put it in a bowl. If you like, you can toast your bread as well. Next, get a fork, or in my case a pair of scissors or a knife, and start to cut up the egg into smaller pieces. After that, get your mayonnaise and mix it into the egg. You can also add various condiments. In my case, I added some garlic powder, some pepper, and some Cajun spice. But it's up to you what you want to add into it. Now my toast is ready, and my egg salad is ready, and now time to put it all together. Question 1. Did you like this recipe? Why or why not? Question 2. What can you add or change to make this yummier? Question 3. What can you add or change to make it yuckier? Blah!